So far, we've seen massive ancient cedar trees, stunning mountain lakes, and explored an eerie 3,000-foot deep mine on this trip. The views in beautiful BC and steep, narrow shelf roads have been nothing short of breathtaking. This journey has been full of firsts, bucket list moments, and today is no exception. We'll be driving through underground tunnels, crossing sketchy, dilapidated trestle bridges, and taking in even more incredible scenery. There's a huge surprise waiting for us at the end of this long trail, though.
Oh my God.
Buckle up, it's going to be an unforgettable day.
Yep.
Today we're excited to welcome two special guests. Karine, who usually comes camping but tends to hang back and relax, and we're thrilled to have Jessica out with us too. Nick, who you've seen in lots of videos, Gray and Scout. Steve is running backup as a drone simulator, and of course, Barb and I are here, ready for an epic day.
Okay, that's enough talking. Let's go.
Today we're hitting a trail in southern BC that's rumored to have a massive trestle bridge and tunnels that we're actually going to drive through. This is going to be wild.
Yeah, I don't think it's an overly difficult trail, but it's supposed to be really, really cool. And I can't wait to see it.
Barb's going to be driving this time. At least we think she's going to be driving. We'll see. The driving's going to be suck.
The driving's gonna suck. Thanks.
It didn't take long for the epic views to kick in.
A lot of physical labor to do this shit. Oh, this high up, yeah?
Oh, do I want to get out and look? Oh my God, I didn't realize how high up we were. It's gorgeous.
Subscribe and smash that like button. Let us know you're enjoying your riding along on this trip with us. The trail map is showing 6 tunnels and 4 trestle bridges along our route. And the first one is just around the corner. I can already feel the excitement building, because this is going to be a first for me. The first time you drive into a cave, it's an eerie feeling. The daylight disappears behind you, replaced by cold, damp air, and the headlights cast shadows that flicker across the rough stone walls. I'm glad this first one was short. This adventure is already delivering.
I've never seen real turkeys before.
What, they've all been fake?
No! Real turkeys, not the ones that are frozen in the supermarket. The ones we eat. We're not eating these. They're live.
Most of these tunnels were fairly straight, and while you can see the opening ahead, it's no less awe-inspiring. This whole experience is surreal, almost movie-like. Like Journey to the Center of the Earth.
Switchbacks and tunnels, they Steve, gotta love them. Few trestles thrown in. Yeah, for sure.
This abandoned railway was built between 1910 and 1916, stretching 500 kilometers and crossing 3 mountain ranges. Imagine, back then, cars were rare, and planes or airports didn't exist like they do today. This railway was the lifeblood of the entire central region, transporting goods and people across vast distances. The day was going great, and someone threw out the idea, how cool would it be to get drone footage inside the tunnel? Without thinking twice, I agreed. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Little did I know what we were in for.
crashed it. He crashed it.
it crashed right here, so.
That's all right. It's broke, so.
So the drone is broke?
What happened, you figure?
Oh, it got dark, and as soon as it got dark, I couldn't see.
Funny thing about when it gets dark. I think it's gonna need some digging apart.
Hey everyone, we have just 3 more days on our BC trip. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming adventures.
Oh, I love ziplining.
See, look right over the edge where you are.
Oh, I see it. Nick, you going ziplining?
No.
Going ziplining, Ray?
Oh, I'm good. That looks a little too sketchy for me.
Hey, Nick, I'm coming.
Yeah, we can put Barb on that. She can take pictures all the way down screaming.
I probably wouldn't scream because I'd love it.
Barb was desperately trying to find somebody to zipline with her on this one.
Get down. Down.
While we were stopped to check out the zipline, the fur babies all got out for a well-deserved break. It's not exactly a rough trail, but after a long day, they were definitely eager to stretch their legs.
It's been a long day.
Oh, we're 1075 in elevation. Wow. You said it was 1075 in elevation. Is that meters or feet?
Meters. We're the same elevation right now as we are in Rocky Mountain House. Where we are right now, there'd be snow, but down along the lake, hardly gets anything. The river never freezes over.
Oh, wow.
This one I think is the long one.
This thing is huge.
Can you imagine witnessing this tunnel being built? It's over 1 kilometer long. And back then, there were no big machines to help. Just hard labor, pickaxes, dynamite, horses.
These reinforcement timbers in the middle are kind of wild.
The work must have seemed almost impossible. And sadly, more than a few lost their lives during its construction.
Just see them at the end. That's not it. That hurts. The reinforcements that we're talking about.
Yep. I wonder if that's just to keep it now or if that's always been there. Wow, this is long. I thought they were just out.
It's so cold in here. Look at my hand out the window and it's freezing.
Compared to those days, we're all a bit soft. The grit and determination it took to complete this project is just mind-blowing. It's very deceiving to see the end, but you still drive for minutes to get to the opening. This must be spots that are caged in. When the timber's there and it's on. Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's caging in.
Oh, we'll look at that. You slow through there?
Yeah, that was pretty neat.
Some old rail, some old track stuff right beside me here too. It was long. That was amazing.
Oh. I mean, look at the mountains over there.
Beyond the cool tunnels and bridges, driving on a narrow track high above a mountain lake for hours is an experience that rejuvenates the soul. The breathtaking view stretches out before you, reminding you of the vastness of nature and just how small we really are. It's humbling, inspiring, and it makes every twist and turn of the journey feel like a privilege. I know they're not Inuksuks, but if you know what these strange rocks piled here are, drop a comment and let us know. We're all really curious about it.
I didn't read that there was foot passage only. Did you?
What?
He said, Nick said it was foot passage only.
It's perfectly safe.
Oh my God.
Oh, is that what it said?
Yep. Do that again. No wonder women live longer than men. On a bridge that you're supposed to walk across. Pretty bad none of us can read. Yes! Come on, fuck! Karine, what? Okay. Karine, where are you? Hello, Karine. Karine, you look like you're really enjoying this. No? No.
Can we just go?
Go. Where do you want us to go?
Off the fucking bridge.
No, I want to see her face.
Lots of art could stand in front of us and make chicken noises. And then take pictures.
How was it?
It wasn't fun.
Yes, it was.
No.
Steve, you got it.
Can we just go? Off the fucking bridge.
I don't understand what she was so scared about. I mean, if she fell, she'd die instantly. It would be pretty painless.
Not instantly.
Yeah, did you not see that drop?
Yeah.
Did you
So
see?
I'd have like 25 seconds of see, I told you so.
Did you talk to Jessie? She said she panic farted.
Hi, we're like news reporters. Hi, buddy. What did you think of it?
I've been on more sketchier bridges with Steve.
And how did you like that?
It was not fun. I was looking down the whole time,
Yeah?
looking at my
You
feet.
should get out and go walk back a little bit and see how rotten the wood is.
Definitely not.
What's going to happen if we get here and we can't get out? We got to go back across it.
I'll be fine as long as I'm looking down.
So, I think the end of this trail is blocked.
That's okay.
No.
Yeah.
No, we're taking the highway back.
No, we can't get off to the highway.
No, I think
We got to do
you're-
that again.
I think there's another one coming though, right?
This is going over a bridge. Tell me what you think about the bridge of death.
It's a fucking bridge.
It's easy to see why Karine likes to stay back at camp and relax after that bridge.
I think we're going to get a sunset on this trail.
Back into the, back into the mountain somehow to hold in place. That's kind of wild. Yeah, you see it there by the post? You know, in my rearview mirror, it's clear as day here. Yeah, right now, low water like this is probably full of homeless people. Floaters or? You never know.
Tim, we're going the wrong direction.
I think this is the dam we're coming up to, right?
For the sunset.
It's kind of been an epic adventure today. It has. This whole week's been an epic adventure.
After 76 amazing kilometers on this trail, and with the sun already set, we arrived at a locked gate. I tried to skirt around it, but ended up getting stuck. Just as things were looking grim, a local property owner happened to come by and graciously opened the gate for the rest of us. What a relief. It was one of those moments where luck and kindness made all the difference.
Well, that was easy for you.
Yeah, that was
And him. Not so much for him.
The previous day was Steve's birthday, and we received this text from him. I knew I had to act fast. I couldn't let this opportunity slip away.
I couldn't afford that many candles for your birthday number, so I got you that many mini donuts.
They're burning! No, the mini donuts are on fire.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Everyone gets a donut.
That was a major fail.
Have a donut. How did your
cute.
Okay, Jessica. We couldn't leave you out.
Happy birthday.
We surprised Jessica as well, because her birthday was today.
Birthday
But she at least got a brownie instead of Fruit
Happy
Loops.
birthday, dear Jessica. Happy
What a fitting end
birthday
to an
you.
amazing day.
Make a wish.
I brought these for you too.